desktop, go to the phishing folder and type cd space shellfish, and I want to see files in here. So I have these files.
So
So now,
mine is in a root shellfish. So should I do
okay,
cd?
yeah. Then if it is in root, you can directly say cd space phishing. No, shellfish.
Shellfish dot. Do we put the extension
Yeah.
after?
Eh, If it is in your downloads, then you have to, if it is in your download, you can get into downloads. If it is in your desktop, you can go into desktop, or it will be in your home.
So do you recommend moving the folder to downloads, or should we just keep it?
Desktop, yeah, I recommend you to move it to desktop
Okay.
so that it will be easier for you to access.
Okay. All right.
If you want to move to desktop, you have move command,
Yeah. So
MV.
desktop and then.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, after entering into Shellfish, this is executable file shellfish.sh. So you have to say bash space shellfish.sh. Okay, and I'll say enter. You'll find these options. Which type of page you want to create: Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, GitHub, etc. Okay, so I want to create Google. Okay, I want to create Google fake page. So I'll say enter, choose port forwarding option. So here you have two types of servers. Till here everyone understood?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Or am I
following along.
going to am I going fast?
Yeah, I'm following along. If I can look back at the recording, it's fine.
Okay, done. Okay. So you have two options in here. One is servero.net and one is ngrok. Why are we having this? Any idea?
Uh,
No.
Okay. So first thing, as I told you, we have our dynamic IP addresses, right? Dynamic IP. Okay. So when we are creating a fake page, we are sending to our victim. So our victim's data will be coming back to our system. How? Using our IP address. If we have dynamic IP address, then what if our IP address changes? Then how will we get victims' data? It is not possible, right? So we are using ngrok or servero, anything that will be giving you a static IP address, so that even if you you'll be getting your, even if you disconnect it to your network and connect back immediately, and some issues happen if your router refreshes and all, your IP changes, IP will remain like that only. Okay, so servero is not working right now. ngrok is working. So I'll say I need to, I'll do it on ngrok. So my PHP server is starting and starting ngrok server. It will be creating a link. Okay, so if you can see, this is the link. I need to send this to my victim. HTTPS link. I'll just open this in browser and I'll show you how it looks. So immediately when my victim opened it, it can show you my location, Bangalore, Karnataka, and you can see the victim's IP, and you can see everything, the ISP provider. Okay, I didn't give my credentials yet. If I give my credentials, you can see my credential. You can see the victim's credentials in here. Okay, so as you can see,
so you have to go to that link first, right, for that to come up.
yeah, you have to see, you'll be getting the link. Okay,
Okay. So
so
once you go to that link, all the information shows up.
yeah, you can send it through WhatsApp, you can send it through Gmail, anything you wish.
Okay. Yeah.
If you think that what is this, I got some 589, how will my victim believe it? Okay, so let me enter some username and password. Okay, so I'll say sign in. It will, I guess it won't sign in because I need to put @ symbol, etc. for few things. So it got redirected to Google, the actual Google page.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you can see in terminal, the account and passwords are stored in here,
Mm, mm,
username and password. Okay, so so here we created a fake page and we sent it to our victim. Our victim typed his username and password, and he got redirected to actual Google page, so that he'll be lesser doubtful on you. And one more thing, by seeing this URL, definitely 60% of them won't be accessing this, even though if it is HTTPS. Seeing this 589D and all, who will open this link? No one. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to bit.ly. Do everyone know bit.ly? Bitly
yeah. Yeah.
URL shortening. So
Yeah.
what I'll do is I'll paste my link in here. I'll say I want it to shorten up. Okay, so it got shortened and I got a link. So if you send this link to your victim, copy, copied. Okay. If you send this link to your victim, this is more trustable. It is HTTPS and it is bit.ly. So definitely they'll trust it. Even your WhatsApp will detect this as Google, or your WhatsApp will detect this as Facebook, Instagram, etc. Okay.
So when I sent it to whoever my victim is, it will come out as like https google.com, as in this case, or will it be bit?
No, no, no. Okay, you can first let me complete. So basically, this we are
Yeah.
doing temporary purpose. Okay, this is not the actual phishing thing.
Right.
To
Oh, okay, okay.
you, we did this. We used this tool and created a phishing page, and we did this. Actually, what happens is, if you see Greek letters, do you know Greek letters?
Yeah.
If you go visit see Greek letters in Wikipedia, you can see the O kind of O symbol. Okay, the O symbol will be same in Greek letter. Okay, so if you want to take a domain for hosting, I want to create a Google fake page. So I'll be creating a domain. So if I search for domain name, if I say google.com, I need google.com, it won't be giving because that is already existing,
Gotcha,
right?
gotcha.
Got it? It
Mm-hmm.
is already
Yeah, yeah.
existing. We won't be getting Google. So if I replace this O with this, Greek words, Greek symbol, okay, I'll be getting that domain name wherein people cannot differentiate between actual Google .com and this Google.com, but both are different.
Yeah.
Okay, say
Where is the URL stored?
yeah,
Where is this like URL stored? Like, don't you have to store all this like information somewhere? Like when you create.
you see hosting websites will be there. Let's say Hostinger. There are hosting websites, right? You can
Yeah.
go visit hosting website and search for whatever domain you want,
Yeah.
whatever domain name you want. Okay, so it will tell you if that domain is available or not. Let's say GoDaddy of this. Okay, so here I want to search for some website. Let's say google.com. It will say it is already available.
Not available.
Okay, so google.com is already taken. So I'll be replacing this. OO with Greek letter, then it will tell me that, okay, this is available. Okay. So when I create, I'll be posting a fake Google page on it, and I'll send my victims to Gmail or through any other means. So by looking at that domain name, definitely no one can realize. Even if I get it, I cannot realize whether it is a fake google.com or a original one. Okay. So
So
you
what if
understood the main concept?
what if I
Yeah.
went on the website on my that's not a virtual machine? What if I went on this website on a real computer?
You can do it. That is what I'm telling you now. You don't need these tools. You can go to your Windows and you can. It's like you can take the source code of that Google.com. Okay, you can take the Gmail source code. If you want, you can use HTTP track in your Kali Linux and